the moment you are on stage, you get into your state. You chunk up to a higher level and you see the bigger picture of what's happening here. You want to be at your best. You want to be in the most resourceful state. You want to be an outstanding speaker. You want to be an outstanding communicator.
मुझे हमेशा उड़ते परिंदे बड़े पसंद आते हैं, and I have this feeling that you give me the wings to fly.
Now, I think मेरी boundaries जो मैंने बनाई हुई थी, जो limitations मैंने बनाई हुई थी, I can't see them now, and alhamdulillah.
अपने confidence के अंदर एक बहुत ज़्यादा boost देख रहा हूँ.
Yeah, it was unbelievable.
काफी जो beliefs जो चीजें रोकती थी limited, they just go Tish, नहीं, no more, no more telling those stories. That's what you've been telling from the last many programs, but in this program it really happened. Like, go for it. So and
I'm sharing with you exactly, as best as I can, how I do what I do.